Hey buddy, 065 here. Here's an update on Anthony's, aka PNO's, no, PN0's, Robo Safe in V2 repair. Well, PN0 stands for Project Nova Zero. Finally got done. The only thing is, you already know this, but I'm sorry dude, but he will not talk. I had to remove the speaker from him because it was actually getting pretty hot, so it was shorting out. But I hope this doesn't not mess up when I power him on. I checked everything and nothing will come off. Okay. Walk backwards. I think his batteries are low, or I don't know. Forward. See, working perfectly good. So yeah, I hope you're happy, bro. Like, oh god, yeah, he's finally good. He's trying to track. So yeah, he's working good actually. The only thing is that he won't talk, but I will, if you can find me another V2, or if I find one, I'll switch out the circuit board so he can talk. So yeah, thank you for watching, guys. And Anthony, he will be shipped out sometime this week or this weekend. The only thing I have to do now is tomorrow, first thing after school, I'm going to do the mod on your mini V2. So yeah, see ya.